Hey, what old things used to sound like? Okay, I already got the chips open. Ate some, because I'm a big back. But I swear, this episode is too much. What old thing? Saber-tooth tiger. We're going to be seeing a lot of that stuff. Mammoth. All that stuff in here. Okay. Let's go. I don't know what this is. I don't know how to pronounce dinosaurs like that. We just got into the video, bro. What are you? So we singing now? Why are we singing? Got the Ditos? No. Okay, I'm gonna stop. Got the Ditos. I don't even want to know what this sound like. Wait, that's what I hear at night. I was about to say, that's what I hear at night. No, that's what I hear when somebody is whistling. Oh yeah, I got the new chair. Why everything look different? Because I'm in the new house. Okay, I'm going back to the other one, but I'm just in this one. That's not okay. We're cooked. We're cooked. What you gonna tell me next? We get it. You're mad. We get it, bro. We get it. We get it, bro. We get it, bro. We get it, bro. We get it, bro. We get it. Megalodon sounds just like a shark, right? Yes, I'm making this at 11:45. Nobody up. Yo, I think I heard of this bird. What was that? That's not a moose. A moose is not 12 feet tall, bro. How do you got footage of that? I swear scientists were the first people alive, bro. Just like elephants. Are you good? Let me tell you something. They bring dinosaurs back. We're cooked, bro. We're just cooked. I don't care if they in Africa. If they in Africa, them flying big birds, they coming here. They coming here, bro. Trust me. Don't Don't even say they not. Get y'all some shelter, bro. Get y'all some shelter. Hide for your life. Run. Alright. Y'all. This is just not okay. Cave lion. What's the difference between a regular lion and a cave lion? Oh. I thought that was a saber. I thought that was a saber too. Is it barking? I don't know if y'all hear that or not. It's barking. What's this? Oh. American. I don't know. I don't even care if it comes. That's a tiger. That looks literally just like a tiger. Short-faced bear. It's a bear. It's only 3 differences between bears. Brown bears, black bears, and polar bears. Those are all the freaks. And grizzlies. Grizzlies. Can a crocodile stand up like that? Nah. What? No. Wow. Replace penguins with dinosaurs. I just spit everywhere. My bad. But replacing penguins with dinosaurs is crazy. Is that a horse / tiger / zebra / donkey / fox / wolf / dog / hyena / all those. Which one are we supposed to be looking at? Because I feel like we're supposed to be looking at the bird that got his wings out like this. Yeah. Polar bear. Yeah. Definitely. I'm not stopping that, bro. I don't care what you say. Stop it. Terror bird, I heard of it. What? I never heard the sound, but I heard it. Don't worry about it. What? We're dead. No. Don't mind him. That's just my little brother. Don't mind him. He landed on my pants. I'm not. Nothing has scared me since the first part. What in the anteater capybara is that? Is that a walrus? Two things. That's either a walrus or that's a seal. I don't know which one it is.
Of mythical creatures.
Alright. Didn't I pause the video? See y'all later. Watch this video now. Loch Ness Monster! I knew it, I was coming. Bye.